ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a live trading session with myself, Russell, and this very loud guy behind me. Tom, did you turn that up to the absolute?
We already have people joining. That's really good to see.
We turn it down a bit. I'm sure you can hear it, right? I'm sure it's not making so loud. It's probably making your hand actually do trades, right? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. We're on a live trading floor, and Tom seems to like the volume up to deafening levels. So that's all good stuff. So if you tune in, you can get free squawk, definitely free squawk. So yeah, we're going to be doing an orb strategy today.
But yeah, it also depends if they were to get a free squawk. Do they trade fundamentals or technical? Can we all comment on it in the chat? Are we traders? And if we are, fundamental based or technical based? Scorpio liked the live. Thank you so much, Scorpio.
Yeah, we're 10 minutes to the open. We're basically, we're not massively professional traders. We're going to be just working this out as we go along, right?
Yeah. So the main agenda is there's a lot of successful strategies that we keep seeing online, and we don't want to not pay attention and be ignorant, right? Because if there's ways that people can make money, guess what? We have to find out for ourselves if it's true or not. Because we are very much fundamental based, on the trading floor. We do trade using data releases, geopolitical news, and so on and so forth, which is really good. However, we would like to see how this opening range breakout strategy works, and you will watch us live. This is literally the day one that we will be trading this as well. So for next 60 days, we will be testing the strategy out, so you can join us on this journey. Every single day, we will be showing you exactly what we're looking at, what the performance is like, what were the trades that we took. So yeah, it will be a really good thing to see. So if you're lazy, someone like me who doesn't want to test out strategies, guess what? You can just tune in and watch us.
Yeah. So let me cut in quickly because we've got very little time. The orb strategy is actually proven to be a successful strategy. It beats any strategy that is successful. Is said to overall beat the S&P. The S&P average gives you 8% a year, and this year in, year out averagely gives you a little bit more. I don't know the exact figure, but I'm sure we could maybe Google it and find out, but this is definitely a proven strategy. What we're going to be doing differently here, guys, is we're actually going to be using order flow and footprint to give us extra confluences. We're not quite sure what we're looking for, but I'm sure when we see it, we will know. Yeah, so basically the orb that we are doing is from the open, we're going to take the first 3 5-minute candles, so that's 15 minutes. It might be just better if I open the charts. Let's go to the charts now. You ready to go to the charts?
Born ready.
Born ready. Cool. So there's our charts. This is our charting platform. I'm hoping that our little faces don't get in the way too much. I'll put them there. I know you guys might struggle to see them a bit on TikTok. So this is our 15-minute chart that you can see here. And we do have other screens, and I will drag over the 1-minute chart, which you can see here. And I'll try and do my best to keep it in focus for you guys. So yeah, as you can see, we'll be using footprint as well. We are now 6 minutes away from the open. Let me just move this.
And what's crazy is I know open breakout strategy is proven to work, but a lot of times, yes, it will work for somebody else, but it might not work for you. The reason why I say that is because I've seen that time and time again. Most traders, when they learn strategies, they still fail or just don't become successful. It's purely because of the fact that some things are just not aligned with your personality. But yeah, that's just my 2 cents, because everyone's different. I'm sure that if I give you a strategy to scout,
no sound. Sorry, people on TikTok. There was a lot of talking that you've missed. You were supposed to remind me to turn the sound on TikTok. So
No, I wasn't.
yes.
He always just points to things at me.
So-
he just needs someone to blame, really.
So just to recap, in case you don't lip read, today we're going to be using an orb strategy, and we're going to be using order flow to help us with confluences.
Yeah. Now I'm just thinking,
just
why would you mute? Why would you?
Just because, let's not waste our time now. We've got 5 minutes, right? Let's just move on, okay? Right. Okay, all right. Well, you can. Right. Anyway, yeah. So we're going to be using. We're going to be using order flow, to help us along. We are both not
Now everyone's
order
watching
flow.
thinking they're incompetent. How are we going to use a strategy? We can't even turn the microphone.
Well, it's on now, isn't it? Like, who is it that helped us there? Look,
Who said-
Scorpio.
Yes, Scorpio, thank you for liking the video and also telling us.
Yep, thank you.
Clearly, we just can't
He
do
could
it.
be our official mascot for today, I think.
Yeah, not even. I think you should just be there, for moral support, because we definitely don't know this. We are very old beings, right?
Yeah.
I'm very old. I'm 26.
We're gonna be working this out as we go along, and hopefully, by 60 days we. So just to let you guys know that this is actually on a challenge on a funded account. Not sure who we can say who it's from, and we will be trading futures contracts.
And we can, if in case we pass and don't get a payout, guess what? You're the first person that we will tell that this company doesn't pay out.
Yep. So if you run a company beginning with A and ending in X, and in the middle it's like PEX, right? Then we're coming for you, sir, if you refuse to pay us out. But we have to get we have to get to that. We have to get to that first, right?
Yeah. In order for us to even make any claims, we need to first be able to pass the account, right?
So if you're wondering what platform we're using, it's called Deep Charts. It's a new platform that I have signed up for, and I'm in the midst of doing a boot camp. So I'm starting to get a little bit of an understanding. But
and just by the way, guys, he started the boot camp last year. Still done like what, 20%?
Last year is like literally, you can't say last year, the beginning of January.
Well,
no, you just can't say that.
All I'm saying is he is taking his time. He's really into it. He's making sure he's watching the videos at least 20 times.
It's a long boot camp.
It's taking him a year. It might take him a year more.
Might take me 5 years.
It might take him 5 years.
But don't forget, I am going away for a month next month. So
so that he could watch one video on loop.
Yeah, one video on loop, and hopefully I will understand what's going on. All I know at the moment, there is a lot of pretty colours on this chart.
Yeah.
No, anyway, look. Anyway, let's do a little
back testing.
No, not little back testing. Let's do a little profile.
Why would you say black testing?
Just stop, right? Okay, let's just do a little bit of profile framing. Okay. So this right here that you're looking at is a 5-minute chart. And at the moment, I haven't got the ETH sessions. Would you like to explain what the ETH sessions are to the viewers?
Only if I knew.
Okay, that's extended trading hours. So these are all cash sessions. So each of these volume profiles that you can see are cash sessions. So let's just go back. I mean, this was a bit of a crazy day here, isn't it?
So that's cash sessions.
Yeah.
And the ones that you can't see are what? Checks, direct deposits.
You know you're not funny, right?
I'm asking.
So anyway, so I think this is Venezuelan and tariff kind of like influenced. So you can see for the last few days, the S&P has been really falling. And if we take the last few sessions, you can see that there's a crossover. We can sort of wait to see what happens today, but let's for example mark on our charts. Let's mark yesterday's value area high.
Yeah, would anyone like to bet is it going to go up or down?
But that's I don't think that's good, because that might
defeat the purpose.
It might skew our Right, so we're going to mark the value area high. We're going to mark the value area low of yesterday's session. And the POC will develop. So let's put a mark on the POC from yesterday. So the session is now officially opened. So let's zoom in now to the session. I don't know why the control buttons are here on this keyboard. It's really weird. Like, who designed this keyboard?
I think you're just living life on.
Yeah, right. So we have started.
And that's a big gap, right?
Yeah, that is quite a sizable. Yeah, that is quite a sizable gap.
Huge gap.
So what we're thinking is that, you know, that is going to fill that gap, right? But we're here. Don't forget, we're here just doing the
Opening range.
Yeah, so we
out.
can't be doing the gap sessions as well.
Yeah, well, that's what we're gonna tell everyone,
so
but still do it.
Let's mark our high. Let's mark that in white. Is white good for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So that's our high at the moment. Obviously, things could change.
Let's change it to black. I like the color black.
So you want a black line on a black background.
Yeah, I like the color black. You asked me if I prefer
Okay,
white.
that's all right. That's not that helpful. I'm glad decided that's the input that you wanted to bring to this party.
At least I'm bringing something.
Okay. So there we go. So we've got our first 5-minute candle open. Things are looking very candly. I
was literally about to say that.
They are. They are looking quite candly, aren't they?
How did you read my mind? Oh, that's what he's learning in the course as well. How to read minds.
So this has moved. So we need to basically.
We're officially 2 minutes in.
This up a bit here, which I failed epically. So there we go. That's our top marked out. Should we have a look at the 1 minute chart? Don't suppose there's any point looking at the 1 minute chart yet. How's your day been today, Igjot?
Fine, I guess.
So this is our first candle emerging from its. My bias today is. What's your bias today?
I think it's either gonna go up or down. That's what I think.
That's great. I mean, I'm glad you're here to give me your input.
Yeah, look, it's either gonna go up or down. That's what I think. Because there's nothing else that it can be, right? It's pretty easy. You just gotta choose from up or down.
It can consolidate.
Yeah, then you don't trade, right?
Day.
Then you don't trade. What do you think?
My bias at the moment is that it's going to come down and hit the POC of last trading session.
Zelensky says the first trilateral meeting will be tomorrow in the UAE.
See, at the
Russia
moment,
has to be ready for compromises.
It's trading out of this. So this was the value area yesterday. So this is, at the moment, it's out of its value area. So price normally likes to visit. So my bias today would be short, just simply because we're trading out of yesterday's value. And look how low the POC is on yesterday as well. So you know, this could be very
day.
If it does decide to go short, this could be a good trade.
Should we look at a chart from the weekly profiles?
No.
Yes.
No, I can't. So it's not what we're doing. It's just not simple as that.
Right, I'm gonna look at my laptop to see what the weekly profile is, because you know, a candle just open, goes high or low, and then closes, right? So we might be able to get a little bit of insights based on the open, high, low, close.
So we have now our second candle. The
Second 5-minute candle.
Second candle has emerged.
The first one is not looking really healthy. I think it is definitely giving me consolidation signs.
It's early days, mate. It's early days.
Early minutes. Right, so weekly profile. The last week was bearish. This week looks like it retraced a bit. Now open low, high and close.
The thing is, a lot of this will be influenced by Trump, Greenland, and tariffs. So, obviously, moving further on into this, we can start doing some research on gammas and option flow data, and we can start plugging that in. But I think first things first, we've got to get our head around order flow and what we're looking for, right?
I think this week we definitely will be closing bullish, but we just gotta see what the day is gonna look like. It will retrace and then it might just continue to go back up again and close higher on the Friday. So let's see.
Let's see indeed.
That's the beauty about trading, you just never know.
There was a lot of volume on the open, and then
I think that's just investors deciding what should we do today, should we buy, should we sell.
the volume is decreasing at the moment. Also with futures contracts, it's not like CFDs, so our sizing might be a little bit different, and we're going to have to work out the sizing on the fly, because we have a 50k account, but because obviously, you know, it's a prop firm, our account size is actually 2.5k, right?
Yeah.
So we've decided that we are willing to risk
Everything on the first trade.
0.5 of that 2.5k, which
yeah, that's just what he's saying to you, so you guys could follow risk management. But I know for a fact when he sees the setup, we are risking everything.
we're not risking it.
Either go home or go.
We're definitely not doing that. So what was 0.5% of 2.5k, Mr. Mathematician?
2.5k.
Right, not that great at maths, but I'm sure that's 100%.
Hold on a sec. 0.5 of 50k or 2.5k?
2.5k.
Would it not be 50k?
No, because the account size is 50k.
Yeah.
But our trading stop is 2.5k.
So you want to risk not the account sizes?
No, why would you risk the account size? That's ridiculous.
5% of 2.5
is what?
75
pound. Dollars.
Yeah.
Well, we might have to risk a bit more than that to actually get some movement in this.
Well, my math.
Well, 1% would be 1% would be.
Let me use what
250, right?
Yeah. Let me use.
So it'd be half of 250. So it'd be 125, right? Okay, cool. Ah, look at this. We are now increasing the top range of our candle. Maybe we should start marking the bottom range of these candles as well, which would be there. And let's put that in white so we don't get confused.
We would like to bet when we will find a setup. Is it going to be before 3 o'clock or after 3?
This is a very small range, gentlemen. This is a very small range. This is dangerous territory right here.
All I'm saying is we would like to bet Will we find a setup before 3 or after 3?
This is a very dangerous range. That's all I'm saying.
Have you heard about the new platform called Polymarket?
No.
You can literally just bet on anything there.
Okay. So this is our third candle. So we wait for this candle to close.
5 more minutes to inception.
And then what we're doing is we're waiting for it to break out the range, retest the range, and then we're going to make a decision based on order flow. No, not the opposite direction. No, no, sit, wait. Bad boy.
Well, I've been getting treated like a golden retriever. But anyway, going back to Polymarket, have you heard about Polymarket?
No. Is it almost like, you know, when people are polyamorous?
No.
Have you heard of that before?
No.
Oh, okay. All right.
But
maybe we shouldn't talk about that live.
Polyamorous.
Yeah. Let's not talk about that live on TikTok though. We might get shut down.
Okay, well that's not what we're talking about. But anyway, Polymarket allows you to bet on anything and everything.
Okay.
Like even something as silly as what color coat will Trump wear tomorrow.
Okay.
And you can actually make money.
Okay. I think we should stick to this strategy before we before we do to that.
So it's after 60 days we're gonna test Polymarket. We will be again coming to you guys with a new strategy. This time I'm very interested in it.
Is this all based around the markets, or is it literally based around absolutely anything?
Anything, but majorly it's market related as well. Like, you know, you can literally bet on what will Fed say today.
Okay. We have got a ridiculously small range here to work with today, Job. I feel like we're going to get destroyed today, big time. Absolutely sacked on our first day. Disgraceful.
Oh.
We're going to have to make a decision because this candle is going to end soon. Like, normally in the first 15 minutes you don't get such a small range. Like, you get like quite a sizable move, and there is just like, this just shows us. So I mean, does this mean that we just don't trade today?
This means the difficulty just increased and we never ever.
But should it mean that we just don't trade today?
No, this also means that, you know, there might be a good case study for us to show to everyone.
That you shouldn't trade today?
That maybe you should, even if times are tough.
Oh, here we go.
Order failed.
Here we go. Things are happening.
I would say press sell.
No, we can't. That's not the strategy. Remember, we're here doing the Lord's work.
Opening range breakout, and it's just broken out.
It hasn't, because this is the last candle, isn't it? Yeah,
okay.
Hasn't broken out of anything, mate.
So it's broken out the first 10-minute range.
Okay, well, maybe the next 60 days we'll test the 10-minute range. Yeah.
China built Buick SUV to the US.
Oh, this is awful.
Yeah. Do you think it's gonna close in the previous candle's range?
This is awful, honestly.
One more minute.
Oh yeah, look, I can put the clock on here. Actually, if I do this and I put countdown time there, you see it? You got 40 seconds to the end of this range before certain doom. I wouldn't trade this, I'm telling you, but we have to, right?
Yeah.
Because this is the strategy, right?
We're here to execute. Because you know what's the fun part? It's not even my money online.
Well, it's no one's money. It's
no, it's Russell's.
Right, so here's the 1 minute.
I'm just here for the vibes, by the way.
Here's the 1 minute chart.
Why does it look animated?
I don't know. I think there's a lot of stuff going on here, you know, and the computer's probably struggling to keep up with what's going on.
Yeah, and the charts look really big.
So that's it. Are we out? We are. We are officially out of the.
My laptop's not working.
So we are officially out of the 15.
Game begins.
Yes. Right. So let's get this 1 minute chart up here.
Do we have a rule which is what time? How do I say it? So? What's the cut off of when you
There isn't a cut off. We might be here to 12 o'clock tonight. Mind you, we can't trade after 10, so the cut off's 10 o'clock tonight. Yeah.
So we just wait for the range to be broken out
at 10 o'clock tonight. Yeah, great. Strap in, people. This is going to be a long stream. Okay, right. So at the moment, it's about to break out.
Sell Russell.
Well, no, because it hasn't broken out yet.
Would you rather be in early or not be in?
But that's not the strategy, is it? It's got to break and retest.
Every successful person says you need to catch trends early.
No, we're just going to ride the waves, mate. We're not there to create the waves. Yeah?
Every successful business person I've ever heard from, they always just catch the trends early.
Okay, we're about to break the range. Right, we've broken the range. We need to wait for that to officially break and then retest.
We haven't broken it.
So at the moment,
what would you define broken out?
So at the moment, what we can see is we can see not great imbalances. We can see, so these bubbles here, these are large selling. So at the moment, what's happened is there's been large sales being put in, but you can see those sales have now been rejected. They have not been rewarded. Right, so this is not a great time to sell. Obviously, we do have our retest now, but I'm going to go out on the limb and say this is not a great time to sell. Look, we can see here we have like a lot of buying imbalances. We have mixed delta. We have quite good sizable delta. Right, here we go. So the sellers are start.
What's happening now?
Well, we have more selling. We need to wait for this to close to see if they have been rewarded. Still, we have a few imbalances here.
What are they getting rewarded with?
What? With price.
Oh.
Yeah. If they put orders here and it closes below there, that means that they're in the money, right? So this is starting to look positive. But I still do think we need to wait for a solid retest. It could just go without us, but I feel like we should wait. What do you think?
Well, I think what I said earlier, by now we would have today.
But we wouldn't have. Yeah, because it might go back up.
Well, that's the point. Before it goes back up.
But look, the volume is decreasing, right? The delta is good. All of these numbers are good. This is good, actually. I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is good, but
I think this is the type
we need to make.
That wouldn't work for something like me. That wouldn't just have numbers.
We still need to wait. We still need to wait for a retest. We still need to wait for a retest.
I think 60 days in. We're saying the same thing. No trades.
We're still waiting for that retest.
That should have that now.
Hashtag waiting for a retest.
Are you in a trade yet? No. Waiting for a retest.
But at least you wouldn't have lost any money.
Or made any money.
But you know, the first rule of trading is to protect your account at all costs, right? There is still a place where we could enter, right? So let's have a look at this. Volume's not really increasing, so that's not a good sign.
We're seeing
delta is now.
in the US and Europe.
When you say volume's not increasing, what do you mean? Do you mean
So
selling pressure's not increasing?
no, the volume of the trades on each minute candle, which is this top row here that you can see, right?
But what does volume tell you? Is it buying pressure or selling pressure?
No, how many people exchange contracts on this candle? Yeah.
But what helps more?
This could be our retest, bro. This is our retest.
Is this the volume or the buying pressure and selling?
No, this is just the volume, the total volume. Yeah, this is total volume.
Do you not see bids and asks?
Yeah.
Who's selling, who's buying?
Yeah. So this is total volume, and this is delta. So at the moment you can see negative delta, which means that there's more selling pressure than buying pressure. And this is the delta percent, which shows you the percent of the selling pressure to buying pressure.
Right. So right now, would it be ideal for you to see more buying pressure than selling pressure, just so that it tells you that retest is coming?
Yes, you can see here now a lot of some imbalances coming in. You can see that there was some large trades here and here from these things, and you can see they haven't been rewarded, and now we are heading back up. This here is it's tiny, so it's probably not really worth writing home about, but you can see now that they're not being rewarded. If this candle closes above this, we could see a little bosh up. Touch this, and then we have actually got some decisions to make. So
right, that looks really interesting. So you know when you say it's not being rewarded, is it like it's not being respected?
okay, so if you was
it's not being respected.
No, if you was a buyer here at this where this little thingy is, and you press buy, you would want to be rewarded, and rewarded would be that the price is going up. Yeah. So at the moment we're kind of in a stalemate, but this is the first time we're starting to see buying pressure coming in. As you can see, though, look, this is quite important, that once again on the way down you can see the volume of 6k 7k. On the way up it's the same amount of volume, so this is really an indecisive at the moment of where it's going to go, but it is more than likely going to retest, and then we're going to have to put our testes on the line,
as we should have 5 minutes ago.
What, and been stopped out?
No, and would have just got money and called it a day.
No, we're not looking for like 1 to like 0.5, mate. Yeah.
I thought that's what you do.
We're looking for like a reasonable move. Like it's got at least got to be like a 1 to 1.5, right? We haven't even discussed this.
I think, you know, like
I think make a tenner and that's it. We're out.
Yeah, you know, successful people say you need to look at what everyone is doing and do the opposite. So if people are doing 1 to 2, guess what?
We should do 2
to 1.
The worst trading strategy ever.
Yeah. I don't think it's worse. I just think it's quite smart, because you are risking twice as much, and you're just taking the money and going on.
This is an awful strategy, Joe. Awful.
It's not been tested, so if you're listening, that's my idea.
There's a reason it's probably not being tested.
Please keep me in your prayers.
Right. So at the moment, what we can see here is we can clearly see that we have some selling pressure here. That's not being rewarded. Buying pressure has been rewarded, but not on the candle before. So we're still sitting, still waiting. Trading is a patient game. Look at this. There's a cluster here. Look at this little cluster here. Yeah, there's a cluster here, but this is not the imbalances. The imbalances are the ones with see this color.
Yeah, white.
Yeah. So that's kind of we want stacked imbalances. We want like 3 or 4 of these, and you can do something with them. I don't know what, but that's what they're doing in the videos.
Right. So if the imbalances get inverted or invalidated, that's when you go in
Yes,
to the opposite direction.
yes. But obviously at the moment we are only looking at sells, right? Yeah, because that's what the strategy dictates to us. Well, we can look for buys if it goes all the way back up here. Yeah, you know.
But what's your plan of action once it tests the level that you retest? Action. You look at the volume again just to see if sellers are coming in.
Yes.
If they are, these just going.
Yes. I mean, at the moment, it just looks like a massive consolidation day, doesn't it? Let's have a look at the 5-minute chart.
I do like the.
So this is our 5-minute chart. As you can see, it's pretty much just flip-flopping around.
Not much good.
Volume is decreasing on the 5 minutes as well, which is not great. So, yeah, I'm not really sure. You know, if it was me, I wouldn't be taking any of these trades, but, you know. So, this is a good strategy to not take trades, basically.
I wouldn't say.
So you can see still volume on the way up and volume on the way down is similar. That's this top number here. We've got very low volume.
What would you do if this breaks out the previous?
I don't know.
By the looks of it,
I mean, we could maybe call this a test. You know, if it's within our remit. I mean, it has gone up and it's come near. I mean, it doesn't have to hit it precisely, surely. You know, we haven't got to get like a ruler out and by the millimeter. We could maybe call this a test. But at the moment, I'm just not liking the volume. To me, this is not great volume.
So this clearly is breaking the previous low.
It is about to. And you can see here we've had more selling pressure. But look, when you look here, this, you see how this is bigger, this one here. So look, right here where we're looking at the moment, this is where the buyers might going to be holding the line. So I would say if it breaks this with a candle close, it's definitely looking better for sales. Let's check to see if we've got any comments. No, that's great. Glad we haven't got any comments.
I think everyone.
Have you even looked at TikTok? Does it even look alright? I mean, have we even got sound? We haven't checked any of this, have we? Oh, right. It's broken this level. It has broken this level. Yeah, but it's still very low volume. I mean, it's good negative delta. It's just very low volume. Just look. See what I mean? Right, but the whole point of having order flow is that you don't take stupid risks. You're talking like a price action trader. Yeah, I'm talking like an order flow trader. Not that I know what I'm doing, but that's how I'm talking. Yeah.
Right. We were testing.
We are testing, but we're testing with order flow.
How about we do this? Right, have two accounts.
Well, how about we just do this, right?
1 minute.
There's a data release in 1 minute. I don't know what. There is one.
Okay. See, look, none of this is being rewarded. It's just going to go up. It's just going to consolidate all day. Oh, we've had some sellers coming in.
At least someone's data.
Huh? I mean, look, though, what we can see, right? We can see, you know, the bottom of these candles still look quite reasonable for selling. Oh, look at this. We've got selling and buying in the same position. They are definitely trying to protect this level. 10 seconds to a data release. Do we know what data release this is? No. Huh? PCE?
To the waiting data.
Oh, it's late.
0.3% for personal income, 0.5% personal spending. Real personal spending, 0.3%. Core PCE price index, month on month, 0.2%. Year on year, 2.8%.
Cool.
Non-core also 0.2% month on month and 2.8% year on year.
We probably should have looked to see
European
what that
Commission,
means,
consumer
but
confidence, minus 12.4.
obviously we haven't done
Minus
that.
income, 0.3% versus 0.4% expected for November. Spending 0.5%
I think
in
it's a
line.
smooth sell to the downside from this point on.
0.3% also in line with expectations.
How do you think
Core
it's a
PCE
smooth sell?
price index, month on month 0.2%, year on year 2.8% also in line. Non-core PCE also in line, month on month, year on year at 0.2% and 2.8%.
I take my words back.
Euro Commission consumer confidence.
I said it's a
minus
smooth sell from
12.4
this point
versus
on.
minus 13.0 expected.
This is a bad trading day, mate.
Or you should have took the trade at the top.
Yeah, but anyone can say that. That's hindsight talking.
No, that was me talking.
I told you should have bought gold like that, 10 years ago, but did you?
I don't wish to. No, I actually did. Physical gold.
Yeah.
I've buried that in my backyard.
Right, so where do you live? Obviously, look, this is 6.9k because it was a news candle. And once again, sellers rewarded, buyers not rewarded. So, I mean, it is looking good for the selling, but I'm just not willing
It's
to.
looking good for.
It's good, looking
other
good to just
sellers.
watching it.
It's looking good for other sellers, just not for us. Because clearly he just enjoys other people enjoying themselves.
Okay, look, we've got some good imbalances coming here. Or no, they've been taken away from us. Right, here we go. Here we go.
Yeah. Here the price goes, not we. Because the Russell's never going to pull it.
I think, look, if this breaks under here, we pull the trigger, right?
Let's see. Just broken.
Should we pull it?
Your call, because clearly are the man with the plan.
I mean, look, the volume's going up. Delta, strong thingy. Sellers are being rewarded.
Do it.
We're doing it?
What's the worst that can happen? Trade? Well, not the end of the world, is it?
Okay, boom. Let's do this. Right, we're in a trade.
Boom.
We are in a trade.
They're about to absolutely smash this. So we're risking $120.
Are
To
we?
make 60.
No, that's 45. £42. We're $42.50.
But we're not supposed to risk 120.
Well, I know it's too late now, isn't it?
Maybe if we just enter 3 more times.
We can move this up a bit, look. There you go, let's move
How
that.
do you decide your stop loss? Is it above candle closes or
well,
highs and lows, or
look, we could say, right? So this was initiation. See, I told you we shouldn't have entered, right? I literally told you, right?
such a liar?
Like we could maybe. I mean, if it goes beyond here,
You know,
then
most traders don't decide where the stop loss is going to be after they've entered the trade.
we're definitely getting stopped out on this.
No, we ain't. Come on, the trading gods are with us today. It's our first stream ever. 2026. Come on.
Oh, look at this. Selling pressure coming in. Will they be rewarded? Will they be rewarded? We're teetering close. See, I think we should put our stop above this. Because if it goes above this, we don't want to be in anyway, right? And that gives us like quite a lot. That gives us $80.
Yeah,
Yeah?
I think that's reasonable
Cool.
then.
Right, there you go. Right,
Now we're gonna come back in 5 minutes, so
no, we're
it's a
watching
coffee
this,
break.
mate. We're watching this. We've got to stay here and entertain. Oh my god, what have I done here?
You have
What have I done? What's
you have
this?
we have more than one take profits.
Why have we put that in?
I don't know.
What's happening
You
here?
tell me. You just cross that out.
Oh my word.
Just cross it. Did he enter twice?
I don't know what's happened.
If you cross it, what happens? Did he exit the position?
I don't know. I'm scared.
Don't be.
But I did say earlier on, I think it's going to go and touch the POC for the next day, right? Should we move to breaking as soon as it touches
Nah, just let it ride.
it?
If this actually touches POC, then you know, guys, what to do. We will drop a link of a course.
I don't know why this is doing this, so I have no idea. But look, this is 2, so we actually need to get rid of one of these because it's going to hit it and it's going to enter another position. So we actually need to get rid of one of these, and I just hope it doesn't mess
but
everything
how
up.
many limits?
Okay, there we
are
go.
you in?
It's done. It's done.
What if it's just close the
No,
position?
no. Well, it will close the position, but because it was 2 and 2, it would have closed and then opened another position.
Now what? Okay. Anyway, I think it's getting a little bit more interesting now.
Right, so we can maybe now have a look at this on the 5-minute chart, so we're not like cracked out.
We have a huge audience looking at us right now.
0. Can't believe it. Did you check it out on TikTok? Maybe it's just really bad. We should check it out on TikTok. Let me check it out on TikTok. Because it could be like very awful quality.
Have you seen those platforms where you can fake the amount of views that are watching you?
Let me just go to TikTok.
You're about to go. Okay. Oh, someone said okay quality.
Oh, it's
Thank you
okay.
so
Oh,
much.
thank you.
Thank you for saving me a couple of minutes to check it out myself.
But there you go. Look, Jay has spoken. Jay,
thank you.
we're officially.
Can you recommend how to make better quality? We get rid of Russell.
Mate,
He
we're
says,
like.
he says if you get rid of Russell, he might be able to.
Bro, we're in like massive profit here.
I don't see any.
I mean, if you say profit is like, look, profit, £2, $2.50, $2.50. This is a winning day. If we end it right now.
We are not in gold.
No, we're not in gold. We're on the
we're
on the ES, and we are doing an orb strategy with order flow as confluence. But I think we might have got a bit bored and we just entered anyway. But it did look good on the sell side, sort of. Not really, maybe.
Yeah, it did.
But yesterday, so basically, let me show you what I'm talking about. So on yesterday's cash session, this is today's cash session.
He thinks we're big players.
He's going to be sorely mistaken.
We're not big players. We're very committed. Don't play around.
I think we're big players. I mean, you know, we're risking a lot of money here.
A lot of money, yes.
$70 is a lot of money to some people.
Daily wage. Trying to learn. Okay, what have you learned so far? Are you new? Completely new?
He's not going to learn much from us, is he? Learn how to lose money.
Oh yeah, if he wants to blow accounts, you know where to. Oh, I'm kidding.
Maybe you should just do opposite of what we do. That could be a winning strategy for everyone.
Yeah. He said he's switching over from crypto.
Okay.
This is more boring than crypto. You're not gonna get that 1000x here. It's not possible.
But look, see.
Oh, he says he's blowing grounds. Well, if you have a couple more brands to block,
Give it to us. We can do that. It's for you. No problem, sir.
please don't mind us. We have no filter. But yeah.
So I'm looking at yesterday's range, right? And when we started
we
this,
need to tell him like what skill sets he needs, so it doesn't blow up his brand anymore.
just don't watch us. I think that's the main skill set.
Well, actually, you know what? Let's just stop joking around, right? We actually have built some really cool systems that have been performing algo systems, training systems. If you want to know more, join the Telegram.
Yeah. No, we have a Telegram group.
Yeah, you just stop blowing grounds, man. Like, come on.
Yeah,
Let
and
professionals do it for you.
the real professionals run the Telegram group.
Yeah, not us.
Yeah, not us. We're just testing an orb strategy.
Yeah. He said he's learned now 73.
Oh, look at this. This is not good.
What are you trading? Are you still trading crypto?
We're definitely getting stopped out.
73%
We're definitely getting stopped out.
I don't think we are.
Would you like to watch us getting stopped out on the 1 minute chart or the 5 minute chart?
A very smart person right now would just stop loss.
Nestle is
Just keep moving it up until we've blown the whole account.
You never lose a trade. We're still trading crypto. If you have 73% win rate in crypto, why would you want to help?
Gold, oh yeah.
K from £100?
Yeah, but yeah, it's gold, isn't it? Like it's Trump, like you know, when it's good on gold, it's good on gold, isn't it? When it's gold, it's gold, right? Oh look, we're nearly coming
really
back
good.
down to break even. This is exciting stuff. We're actually in profit, mate. We're in profit.
Bro showed me profit. Who's bro?
Have you
I
got?
would like to speak.
Have you got that Lamborghini dealer's number? Shall we? I'll tell you what.
No,
right?
no.
No, come on. Let's put a down
second.
payment on that. Like, we're done here.
I deleted the Lamborghini dealership.
We're done here, man.
I've just saved the Bugatti's dealership number.
Should we have a look at the prices of Lamborghinis?
We don't need to. We just go and buy outright. Oh, your little brother. How old are you? And how old is he? I've got Bugatti dealership's number now.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, we don't do Lamborghini. Lamborghinis is for broke boys. And okay, that's fair enough.
So look at this.
Whereabouts you based, Jay? Whereabouts you based?
This is good. This is good. This is good. We've got selling pressure, but they're not being rewarded just yet. If this candle closes under this,
It says live will end in 5 minutes. Why?
because I've got to put the missing piece of the puzzle in there, you know. It's because we're not. We need to type to them.
That's so
You get more like you answer them on here. No, like actually answer them because it gives us more viewers. You
East
see.
London, because you lot of London as well now.
Yeah, we're in Brom.
No, we are faking our accents.
We're in Brom. No, don't. You're typing on the thing. You're typing on the thing. Don't type on the thing. You've nearly just sold 1,000 contracts.
Oh, jeez, no way. Yeah, Southeast London. We are not faking our accent.
Yeah, look, you can type now. Type to the people because it gets us more people.
Based in Southeast London, Bromley Common, BR2.
This really isn't looking good for us. I'm telling you now. There's a lot of selling imbalances.
You know, like you're very bipolar. A minute ago, you were saying this is really good, this is really good, and now you're just saying, oh, this is not all looking good for us. I mean,
no, but that's how the market's changed that quickly, didn't
You
they?
gotta pick one side, bro.
I have. We've picked to sell, haven't we?
I think regardless, it looks good. If you win or you lose, it still looks good.
we're gonna lose.
So what? You never lose. You always learn. That's how I see it.
But I will say one thing, right?
Move the stop loss now.
It's taking us out. It's taking us out. Here it goes.
That's the strategy.
No, but we wanted to be out. Remember, here we wanted to be out anyway.
What if we just never touch it?
Well, that's
you
good.
still got to give like some breathing
Look,
space.
they're protecting this area.
But you gotta give.
But
like
we're being
a
protected.
breathing
But we're
space.
being protected by this.
But I'm saying
This
you
is our
still gotta
protection.
give some breathing space,
This
though.
is our. We had breathing space. Look at this.
Jay agreed with me. He said it's never a loss, always learning curve, right? Yeah, exactly. But for some reason, Russell never learns, man. Come on, read it. you're about to close the trade. 'Cause it's gonna be-
What do we break even and call it a day?
It was a tough one, boy.
Yeah, but don't forget, we've got to account for commissions as well. Yeah.
Oh. So we will close in $10 in profit.
No, we're holding, man. We're in it. We're here till 10 o'clock tonight, mate.
Right, welcome to Comedy Central. Jay says hold out.
Yeah, thank you, Jay.
Thank you,
no.
Jay. You
No,
know what
no,
we
you
need?
have to make sure you click it
Oh,
here.
sorry, I don't have the mouse. You know what we need? We need that sound thing. So if someone says something nice, right, we just play that. Bang, bang, bang.
Okay.
Yeah, can we have that?
Why
next
don't you
time?
just do it? Why don't you just go do 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 do?
Well, it's natural then, is it? Just hold on, we're going home. What home? We sold it so we could put some money in our trading accounts.
We haven't got a home left after this. Oh, look at how close that's becoming. Look, that's definitely been protected.
It's just teasing.
Look, watch.
Teasing.
And if that breaks, yeah, that's it. I'd
Then
rather be out of the trade.
And we go in the buy position.
No, we're not. No, no. But look, this. See here, this was the level. That if we don't want to be in the trade if it goes above this anyway.
Jay says home with the money. What does that mean?
Means we're about to get stopped out. That's what that means. Look.
Boo.
That's awful.
Yeah, go buy it now. Buy position right now. Right, all of that learning of order flow, and guess what? You still lose the trade.
Yeah, but that happens. You know. Yeah, but look. Okay, let's do a debrief, right?
Right, let's do a recap. Let's see what went wrong.
Let's do a debrief.
IMF
The
chief
debrief is
George
that we
Hazel
shouldn't have
this
entered
week.
a trade,
Davos,
right?
No, the
about
debrief is we
items
should have
around
entered
growth.
when I said that we should enter.
Possibly
And
likely
no
Well,
one
we
ever
should have put our
listened.
stop loss like right up here somewhere. We should have put our stop loss like I don't even know where the chart is anymore.
Why would you do that? It was literally a candle above it.
We should have put our stop loss like
No, wow.
up here.
Hell no. If look,
We wouldn't have been
I
stopped
was
out
selling
now.
where I said we should be selling, this is where my stop loss would have been. Alright, let me quickly enter a buy before he takes my amount from me.
But you know, if we were just doing the orb strategy, we would have actually made profit today. If we counted that as a
Yeah,
retest.
exactly. That's what I'm saying. Look, this is when I said we should sell. Then it broke, right?
No, but that's
Stop
not the
loss above
strategy.
here.
You can't say
Stop
we're
loss above
testing
here,
a strategy and then not actually do the strategy, right?
No, that is a strategy. You just add certain things at your own discretion.
Oh right, okay. That's how it works.
I mean, you
then.
know, like how successful people say you need to find something that's working and add your own element to it. You just make it 1% better.
That we've only lost 79, right?
So we still have $70 more to risk. So I do think we should just go in for another trade.
I don't think we should because I just don't think that the numbers are not okay. So let's look at the numbers, right?
I think rather than
So
look at
look,
numbers,
coming
right now
down-
we should just sell again.
Coming down here, that you had great volume, yeah, yeah. Going up, you had great volume. Coming down, look, the volume was decreasing. Yeah, decreasing. This was not the time
I think
to
everyone
be
just got
placing
bored.
trades.
Everyone just got bored. Volume just naturally.
It's not the time to be placing
Well, if that's
trades.
the case, what I would say is we should have two accounts where we go long right now, and the other account we just go short.
You can't do that.
Yes, you can.
Can't do that.
Yes,
It's,
sir,
it's
stop.
against like prop firms' rules.
No, you buy two accounts. There's two of us, right? I buy one.
Oh,
you
okay.
get
So
one.
okay. So what you want to do is you want to cheat a prop firm, but you want to do it live on air. So when they watch this, they're just not pay
I'm
us
not
out.
cheating. I'm just saying I've got a
But
different
that
bias
is- that's-
than you.
It's just no.
Candles go up and
It's
down.
probably
and my
illegal
trades
as well.
can go up and yours
We're
can go
probably,
down
we're
as
probably
well.
going to get someone come through that door in a minute, and the rest
Yeah,
of
well,
us.
not really though, because no one knows where we are.
We're definitely not
in Bromley, by
educated
the
to
way.
trade
We-
Bromley South.
Yeah, we've got
This
a
is not
basement.
a
We've
trading floor behind us.
got,
No.
we've got a basement in Mexico. That's where we're trading from right now. if you want to find us, you need to come through my favelas. Is there favelas?
Have you got any nachos? I'm hungry.
Have I got any nachos? No, I've got Coca-Cola.
I don't think we can talk about food
I mean,
on
not?
TikTok. They
Really?
ban you, didn't they? Yeah.
Why? Do you not like to eat?
Well, I think it's the fact that we're saying the
In 10 minutes' time,
M
we'll
words.
be getting our first data of the day
Mexican.
from the EIA.
Why?
I don't know. TikTok's
gas
just really
storage
weird like
change
that.
figures
It's
for the
just
week
really
from the
weird.
US.
I think that all they want to ask,
We're expecting
all they want to
a
hear is
drawdown
noodles.
of 98 BCM
Huh? They
versus
just want us
last
to
week's
speak about
drawdown of
noodles then.
71
Mate, don't
BCM.
speak about food. Look, you watch. It'll come up in a minute, and we'll get violated.
12 BCF.
Look at that. See,
Right,
look.
so what are you having for dinner tonight?
They will also at 12 o'clock Eastern time.
I'm
in
not eating.
Just over
I refuse to
90
consume
minutes, we'll be
any
getting
kind
the
of
oil
food.
inventories for
Like I
the
said,
day
I'm
yesterday.
never wrong. I've been 2 out of 2 today. And you have
But
lost
that's
money.
not the strategy.
all of this.
But you're
fancy
saying
stuff
that in
you add,
hindsight.
I'm not. I know things, right? I'm a really.
But if
really
we'd
insightful
entered
person.
there where you said we got stopped out there, it would have come all the way down, stopped us out again, and then gone.
No, that's not what I said. I said here.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
just,
did.
But
Yes,
you
I
just
did.
didn't.
No, I didn't. Look, this is where I said we should buy. Exactly here.
No.
Yeah. Yes, I did. So basically, yeah, follow my signals.
So
join-
basically, the
join
old strategy
Telegram.
doesn't work, and we'll be coming back with a different strategy tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Because we only test strategy once.
Yeah, sorry, we said 60 days or 60 minutes. 60 minutes, and it has been 60 minutes. So.
But look, look, we shouldn't have bought today at all. Like, look, the numbers weren't there. Look, very low, very low.
Yeah, but we didn't buy though.
We bought to sell. What? We shouldn't have entered a trade today. Yeah, and maybe it's coming up for the retest.
Maybe it is.
What if it
And we-
retests?
We still have $70 more to spend, so
This is a good point.
yeah.
If there's a retest, maybe we can enter again. Because technically, that wasn't a really retest,
Yeah,
was
it
it?
missed by a few points, right? So
Yeah.
you just gotta give it the benefit of the doubt.
But I would still say that this is not a seller's market.
Well, guess what? You will only find out if you were to buy, right? So
I'm
you
not
just-
buying. We're not allowed to buy
Why are we not allowed to buy?
because we're testing an orb strategy, and the orb simply says that
Well, we can
today we
s-
have to sell.
We can start that tomorrow.
That's not how it works.
So you actually wanna go home a sore loser?
We're not losing. We're learning. Remember?
So
See,
you,
I'm
you wanna
using
go
your own
home a
word.
sore learner,
So,
and
yeah,
not a sore earner.
I'd rather go home a sore learner than blowing accounts.
No one's blowing account. We're just risking a little bit more money until we blow the account.
An extended blowing of the account.
Yeah, we just blow it slowly. It's like lighting up a candle.
We're $80 in the red, mate.
It's fine.
It's coming up to test though. What
Yep.
we're gonna do when it
Watch out,
tests?
boys and girls. I know everyone's left, but this is the wrong time for you guys to leave. If only what I've seen is re-enter the trade again, your
And
life
share
would
the
be
live,
very
yeah.
different.
That's what we need to do. Share it.
Thanks, Ricky. Thanks for following us. I hope we can lead you to the right places if you follow us.
He did follow us.
We did.
Share it.
Can you not share it on your story?
No, you can't on this TikTok, right?
Can you not do that from your phone?
Not really.
Oh, Amy. The applicant. Are these the people that we follow?
Oh, they follow us. A few viewers from that, sir. But it's not. It's
No,
not.
they
Gonna,
just missed out on the fun bits. Now I've got nothing else to say.
look at this. This beast of a candle. This is a beast.
Yeah, but it's still going.
But there's no
up.
volume.
How
Look.
do you feel about it?
There's no
I think you
volume.
should buy. Definitely.
We're not allowed to.
But we're not allowed to.
Don't be looking at the I see. I see. Don't.
Right, I'm not getting into your position. Come on, I'm not.
You don't need it.
I
You
do
can look
need it.
at
I
You
just
can
wanna,
look with your eyes.
I want to see what's going
can
on.
look with
Please,
your
man, I
eyes.
just want to look at the candles. Can I look at the candles, please? Thank you.
If you enter a position, no.
Look, I think
Look at
it's
this.
making
Look
a
at this
new
strong
high.
candle.
I
Look
think
at
it's
this.
making a new high. Right, sell it.
We're not selling
Why?
because we're not.
Yes, we are. Please tell me you're selling it.
This is just consolidating. Look, let's draw a little range here, right?
Please tell me you're selling it.
Enzo, I'm coming 2 minutes.
No, you're too late.
Oh,
Let's draw a volume profile from here to here. So at the moment,
I think we should
We
just
can
literally
see-
just change the strategy.
no, you can see a lot of buying
Pressure.
delta right here, and there is no strong selling delta. There is none. Like, this is
So
not.
be going up.
Huh?
Be going up. Like I said
But
when
we
the stream
can't. We're not
started.
allowed to.
But that's what I said when the stream started. Remember what I said? This week's gonna close higher. Did I or did I not?
We're not allowed to.
I know we're not allowed to, but there's a lot of things that you're not allowed
Because
to,
that's
but
the
you still do.
strategy. You have to follow.
There's a lot of things you're not allowed to, but you still do. You need to learn how to break the rules. That's what most successful people say.
But we can't say we tested an orb strategy for 60 days, but we didn't actually really test it. We just did what we want. That's a very long title.
We
That-
tested
how
all
many-
strategy with
How
variables
many?
as follows.
Does anyone know how many characters you're allowed in the red channels title? Because
No, but what we can
when
say
have you
is
ever
we
been
tested.
onto YT and seen I tested your
No,
strategy
but
for 60 days
hear
only
me
when I
out,
felt
hear me out.
it was good for me,
I've got a better plan. We tested an orb strategy with these variables.
and we didn't really
attached-
like it, so we just
attached
did
as-
what we want.
attached in the PDF, and we have a
Trading
60-page
houses.
long PDF with all the variables that we tested.
The Spanish
in
refiner
orb
Red
strategy.
Marketing
So
resources.
there's another way to use orb strategy. So when you see an orb,
You just do what you want.
when you see the range breaking out, rather than taking the trade in the same direction as
But
the
look,
breakout,
I
you
t-
take the trade in the
I'll,
opposite
I'll,
direction.
I'll tell you what's happening now, but we're not allowed to do it. Look, this is simply what's happening. Value area high
Yeah, but who's,
to value area low. It's just pinging
but
up
who's
and down.
stopping us to not do it?
Huh?
Who's stopping us to not do it?
The strategy, sir. This is the strategy.
Right. So if you were to
We could sell now
implement-
down to the value area
Right,
low of
I've
here.
got a question to ask you. If you were to implement the strategy to a T, what's the end result?
Money.
Right, so if you were to just place a trade right now and buy, what's the end result?
But we could maybe play this from value area high to value area low. That's something that I would be prepared to do. Because look, keep doing the same thing. Look, I've drawn a little profile. Yeah.
Yeah.
On this. Yeah. You can clearly see, look, from here, that value area high, value area low. Yeah, and you can clearly see it's respecting that. Right? So we could play it down to here, but then it would probably do that, wouldn't it? No. But maybe let's look at the numbers. Look. But all I'm saying that this here is a very high selling delta at this point. Yeah. So when it comes back down to here, the chances of it pinging off are like quite good. So look, it's out of that value area on this little range now.
Yeah.
So you know, I would say now would be a good time to sell.
Do you think?
I do think. Should we do it?
1 minute.
I don't
God,
know.
It's 1 minute to news as well. What news is this?
I just want to buy. I don't even want to sell. Don't wish to sell. I just want to buy. Let me check on. What's the date today? We have natural gas storage coming out in 9 seconds.
Is that going to really affect the ES? Do you think?
Because it's about natural gas, and gas you know, what's the effect of gas? It inflates the balloon.
Smells.
No, it inflates the balloon, and the balloon goes up. So I think that's the
Not
indication.
when I let off natural gas at home.
I think it's telling you to buy because natural gas storage.
Tell you,
about to
this
explode.
is a sell all day long, mate. Down to the bottom of this range, down to there, sir.
A drawdown of 120 BCF for nat
Well,
gas
it leads
storage
down to
change.
there.
A drawdown of 120
Look.
BCF.
That's nothing. That's not a sell. Hey, damn dance.
I think we should sell. What do you reckon? Do you concur? Just to here, just to here, just to the POC here.
See what you want. It's free will. Got free will. Because I've given you 2 signals and you have not taken them. So now I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and let's see what happens. You know what I'm gonna do when I'm trading, right?
You're just gonna do what you want. Just gonna flip a coin.
Testing off, right?
So look, they're selling now. Look, watch. If they don't get rewarded, we've got 1 second.
Yeah.
Look, that's a sell, mate. That's a sell. Let me do it.
Why are you selling there though? It's
me
not
do it.
testing a level. It's not doing anything. Why are you
But
selling?
no, I'm selling there because look, right? In this little consolidation, this is a value area high. This is a value area low. We're just going to sell down to this POC. That's all we're going to do. That's what it does. Look, you can see it's respecting it. Bing bong, bing bong. Yeah.
Oh, I get you.
Yeah.
So you just gonna make a new higher low.
But I think we've missed it now.
No, you still got time.
No, we've missed it.
That's just what you think. You know.
No, we've missed it. We
Hello,
should-
Forever King. Hello. Let me type.
Go on.
Hello. Someone by the name of Passive Aggressive. Why would you have a name?
Why not?
Right, sell that. Right.
Shall I sell now? Yeah.
Oh, if that's what you want. Because I don't understand this.
Right, selling. Let's do this.
Yeah, clearly it's not again.
Right. $60 this time, yeah? Right. And then we're only selling down to the POC, which is there, yeah? Right, that's all we're doing. Right, you watch that, you make sure that it goes that way, yeah?
Yeah, but
You don't want it to go, I've got to go somewhere quickly.
Right. If it goes up, what do I do?
Huh?
If it goes up, what do I do?
Shout it. Shout it.
Okay. Go down, go down, go down, go down.
It includes flexible
Right, so he's left this thing to me.
between 15 to 20% for special
Hey, I'm
projects.
just going to introduce myself again. Hi, I'm just helping Russell. I really don't know how this works. I'm just helping him out. So, yeah, just holding the fort. Please go down. Price go down. Please, price go down. I pray. Do any of you guys use the strategy called prayer? If you're in a trade and you just start praying, and you just hope that this goes in your direction. If it ends up going up, then clearly I'm the winner because I've been telling Russell that it's gonna go up, and he never really listens to me. So yeah, if you guys are trading as well, I pray before. Wow, that's really good. I think that's how you should do. That's how really you should do. There's a lot of times like people enter trades when they're not even feeling like, right? I've had a lot of those days, but not anymore. I only trade when I'm feeling good. That's a really good one, Jin. What do you guys think S&P is about to do? Do you think it's gonna go up or down, or it's clearly going up? So I don't even have to ask you. Price really just told me that it's going up. Did you guys trade today? Did anyone of you trade today? Go on. Nothing. You do the honors. It's about to kiss.
What did you do?
Nothing.
What have you been doing whilst I've been going?
Speaking to everyone.
But you've made it nearly hit another stop loss.
The price? It's the price, not me.
No, I went away for like less than 2 minutes, and look what you've done.
Move the stop loss, man.
What you've done.
I told you buy, but you didn't listen to me.
Look what you've done.
I've not done nothing. I'm a
But look, we could say that it's touched the level, and now it's going to go right. This is the orb strategy.
That's what you keep thinking. It's not happening. Where do you work, Jin? What do you do? Hope your manager's not watching. I mean, you might be the manager yourself. Drive buses. Ooh.
He's not watching
TFL?
this while he's driving the buses. Jesus. We've been stopped out as well.
Well, Russell's concern is hope you're not driving a bus whilst watching this stream.
Right, well we've got destroyed today. Look,
Yeah,
this
we
is,
did.
this
Well,
is,
that's 2 out of 2 losses. So
I think that's us for the
he
day.
says
Right?
for go ahead snooze fest. What does it mean?
Georgia.
Do you think we're not funny enough? Oh, you're on a final warning. So you have been using a phone whilst you're driving. That you're a bad boy. Do you drive buses in London or whereabouts are you based?
I can't believe it's done this to
TFL?
us. It's disgraceful.
Is it TFL, Jin? I don't want to get you sacked, but just answer this and then you don't have to.
The markets have mocked us.
Indeed, he's in Merton. We're actually going to Merton next week. We're going to speak to the we're going to a college in Merton and we're doing a seminar there next week. Would you like to drive us around?
Maybe you could do the seminar on his bus.
On his bus, yeah, that would be cool. No. I've got a better idea. Maybe we do the live streaming in the bus. What do you think of that?
Well, look, it's touched the level again.
Everyone's got to give Jin like £5 at least to be on that bus.
We should have waited it for it to test the level, but
That's
now
what
we've
you
done.
keep saying,
Yeah,
man.
but we've blown it for the day.
Well, yeah, we have successfully managed to lose 2 trades today. It was a really successful day. We definitely are not in a position to risk any more money. Well, I am. He is in. Someone's given us a gift. That's so cute. Pretty good. But yeah, Jin, that will be wild. It's a really, really, really wild thing to
Yeah, it's tested the level. We should have just waited all along.
But we will be in Merton next week. How can my brother come and learn from you guys? Not sure if we're the right people to learn from.
No, he's
I'm
joking.
kidding.
No, he's joking. We do have professional traders here.
Yeah. It's just not us.
And we are actually teaching level 7 diplomas, which is actually equivalent to a master's degree here.
Yeah.
But we're not the ones teaching it, are we? No.
No. Please don't learn from us. No, I mean, when I say us, I mean us too.
But
right?
us as a company,
yeah.
crack on, mate.
Send us a text. Send us a text.
Look, it's touched it.
Let me give you my number.
And now it's a sell. It's a sell.
No, it's not. We've lost money. We're not gonna go in.
You can't type your number in there. Surely that's weird.
Is it not?
It's up to you.
Yeah, text me if you need courses.
Shouldn't he just reach out on the Telegram group?
He shall. Okay. Let me find you on.
Can you message her directly?
Yeah, I think we can, right?
Can you?
Well, we'll see. Let me log in.
Follow back. We could report her.
Why would you want to report her?
Well, I'm just saying, like, that's the options we've got.
Keisha, don't mind him, please.
It's Sugar Baby 12230.
Oh, I've got a text. Yo, I'll just send you a yo. That's me.
I bet it's gonna fly from here. Look.
You think?
This is all your fault.
Not my fault.
It's definitely.
I've been saying bye. How much is it to learn?
I
from
was
you
saying
guys?
be
It depends
patient.
what you're trying to learn.
You have to learn the art of patience. I bet it's going to go from here. You watch. We'll come back next time and we'll review this day. Yeah, and it would be.
It's fine. We live for another day. We got a little bit more money to burn. So we go tomorrow. Might be just
I'm
me.
not here tomorrow,
Might just be me.
This is my last day this week. I'm only here 2 days. This is just you on your own tomorrow, mate.
Yeah, well, guess what? Tomorrow we will win because we wouldn't have Russell. Russell, who doesn't want to pull triggers when he should have, because he has lost. He's lost 2 opportunities today to
No.
make money. What
No.
are we trading? We are trading. I really don't want to joke.
No,
I'm
we
gonna
see.
get banned.
So we're trading
we're trading
future
futures.
contracts on the S&P.
S&P.
And we're testing an orb strategy. Well, I'm testing an orb strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
he is. I'm
my
not.
my comrade here seems to be just wanting to do rogue things.
Yeah. And you know, like how they say you have an angel and a devil on your shoulder. He doesn't have an angel. Devil.
I'm telling you,
Telling him
it's
what
tested
to-
that level now. This is when we should have been selling. We should have waited. We should remember this.
Remember what?
Remember this for next time we do this. To be patient and wait for it to test that level. Yeah. I tell you what we do. Let's put a little thingy in here like this. Look, little cell thing, right? And then this is when we should have. This is when we should have sold. Bought, sold, yeah, sold.
Yeah.
This is when we should have sold.
Well, sell now then.
No, we can't. We're done for the day. Risk is done. We're done. We're massive failures.
Please don't say that.
But it's true. We might be massive winners tomorrow. But let's have a look at the numbers at least. I mean, looking at this, this is not the time to be selling either. You know? It's just going to do this all day, I'm telling you.
Oh look, my gym says there's a filming in club. So I'm about to go see a movie being shot. Nice.
This is very disappointing. Disappointing.
Anyway, I would still say it's a successful day because we followed the plan.
The thing is, if we end this stream now, you know, it's going to have to go do real work.
Yeah. So, well, I am supposed to do real work. I'm not too sure about you.
This is my work. This is my job, mate.
Anyway, it was good speaking to you guys. I would have to go do some real work.
I don't think I started the Instagram.
Right.
Should I go live now? I forgot to go live on Instagram. Should I go live now?
Great
Let me just
work,
end
man.
it.
Great work. No, but I'm really serious now. We gotta go. Well, I've gotta go. Russell, you can continue.
Alright, yeah, no, let's end it. Right, thank you very much for
very much
guys
for tuning
for joining us, and thank you very much for watching us lose our risk for today. I wanted to wait, but
And you did. And
somebody
you did.
didn't.
What? No, hell no.
It's testing it now. Look.
Yeah, we tested.
Right, we'll have a look back about this later.
Yeah, but you know we cannot risk more than 150 a day.
No, I know, but we should have waited to now. This is the trade now.
But that was your idea.
Huh?
Well, okay, we're not gonna argue in front of
This
you
is
guys,
the
so
trade
we're gonna
now.
turn the stream off so we could literally just punch each other.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining us. Have a great afternoon, and if you are trading, remember stop loss all the way, right?
Yeah, I never have someone like me saying next.
And always manage your risk is what we've done today. Like,
Yep.
because but you know, tomorrow. Well, I'm not
Okay.
here tomorrow. Next time it could be a different story,
Hopefully,
right?
Hopefully.
All right then. Thank you very much, and
Thank you very
goodbye.
much. Goodbye. Bye-bye.